Today we're making 3 easy and delicious salads you have to make before summer's over.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Jasmine.
And I'm Chris.
And today we're going to be whipping up 3 easy salads for you that are great for summer. They're great for sharing with your friends and family if you're gonna have people over. And they're just really great. They're delicious, packed with flavor. And we have been enjoying them all week because we have been making them, testing them, getting them ready for this video. And I'm really excited for you to try them.
First, we're making an Esquites-Inspired pasta salad.
Then we have an avocado and roasted corn salad or salsa. It is great with chips.
And finally, we have a Italian-inspired pasta salad that's super fresh and super delicious.
All the recipes will be linked down below on our blog, and let's just dive into the recipe video and we'll show you how to make these. Before we carry on with this video, we want to give a quick shout out to our sponsor today, which is Ruggable.
If you're not familiar with Ruggable rugs, you are in for a treat because not only are they machine washable and pet friendly, but they also have awesome designs, and they have indoor and outdoor rugs. And what's really cool is that they have an interchangeable design. So basically there's a non-slip mat, and then you can replace the top cover. So if you want different designs or styles, you can easily change them in your space.
We have Ruggable in a ton of different rooms in our house, and we also have it now outside. I'm loving our new outdoor space. It really just brought everything together. I love hanging out here, and it is perfect for the summer. So if you want to check out Ruggable, we have a discount code for you down below in the description box. We will also put it here on the video as well.
So yeah, check out Ruggable, and let's get back into the video. The first recipe we're making today is an Esquites-Inspired pasta salad.
If you went to Eat Drink Vegan in 2019, we actually served this dish there. So this is a little bit of an older recipe, but it's really good, and it's actually a family favorite of Jasmine's. So every family party they have, they always ask or request for this recipe, so we hope you love it.
To start, we'll cook our pasta, and as that cooks, we'll add some corn kernels to a cast iron pan with some oil to let that char up a bit. This will give the corn a really nice flavor. And then in a bowl, we'll add in some egg-free mayo along with some lime juice, dairy-free parm, some herbs, spices, and some garlic, and we'll just give that a quick mix through. Once the pasta is done cooking, we'll let that drain, and then we'll transfer that to the bowl with the dressing we just made along with the corn and some veggies. We'll give that a quick mix through until everything's nice and combined, and then we'll just give it a quick seasoning with a little bit of salt to taste. And all that's left to do now is dig in. I recommend refrigerating this for a little while, but you can eat it straight away as well.
Like Chris mentioned, we had this at the Eat Drink Vegan Festival in 2019. We had the opportunity to sell this, which was really cool. I didn't know they were gonna actually sell it. I thought
they were just giving samples.
Yeah, and then there was a whole ass booth with our name on it. I'll put the picture on the screen. It was crazy.
Pretty cool.
But anyways,
we revamped this a little bit, so the updated recipe is linked down below.
Yeah, it's definitely better. It's so good.
Really, really good. It's like the perfect summer pasta salad.
I love corn anything.
Yeah, the sweetness of it. I grew up in New Jersey, and the sweet corn there was always like the staple of all of our summers, so not quite the same here, but still does the trick.
Still good. And another thing I wanted to mention is we de-seeded the jalapeno, and we didn't add that much, but if you want it spicier, you can keep the seeds, you can add more jalapeno, you can add cayenne.
This has like very, very little spice.
None.
Like basically zero.
Oh my God, I'm gonna eat this whole bowl right now. If you have tried this recipe on our blog, let us know what you think. If you try it from this video, let us know what you think. If you haven't tried it, the recipe link down below.
Let us know what you think.
And we'll go into the next one. The second recipe we're prepping today is an avocado and roasted corn salad or salsa. We actually like to eat this with chips. It is a really fresh recipe, great for summer, honestly great for anytime you're craving something fresh or you want to entertain some friends at your house. It's really easy to put together and really delicious. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is char some scallions in a heavy bottom pan or cast iron skillet, then chop those up and add them to a large bowl. In the same pan, we added some oil. We're gonna roast up some corn kernels. These are fresh, but you can also use frozen until they're nice and charred, then add them to a bowl with bell pepper, tomatoes, some fresh avocado. Then we have some cilantro, shallots, some fresh garlic. We're adding some lime zest. Please do not skip this. It adds some really great flavor, as well as some lime juice. Then we have olive oil, white wine vinegar, agave, or a liquid sweetener of your choice. And then for seasonings, we have cumin, salt, chili powder, and black pepper. Mix that all together, then refrigerate that until it is nice and chilled, and dig in. I'm so excited to eat this one. For one thing, it's really good and packed with flavor, but I love chips. Anytime I can eat a good dip with a good chip.
You know you're gonna have a good day.
I want to try making a variation of this with tomatillo too.
That'd be good.
But
I love the lime. The lime zest, I feel like, is...
it really, you need it. I know it's an extra step, but that zest really makes it more like, right? And I don't think I mentioned this earlier. This avocado is actually fresh from my aunt's tree in California. My parents are here visiting right now.
This isn't spicy either, by the way. It's got a little chip stuck in my throat.
What I was gonna say is my mom brought some fresh avocados and tomatoes actually with her on her trip here, and we were able to use the avocado. It is nice and ripe now. It is delicious, and nothing beats it. I know this video is coming out a little later in the season, but if it's still warm where you are, if it's still summery, I highly suggest you make these recipes.
Yeah, but at least until Labor Day. So Labor Day weekend, make all these. Try them before summer's over. You won't regret it.
And we have one more pasta salad recipe coming at you right now, so we're gonna clean up and move on. The final recipe we're making today is an Italian-inspired pasta salad. This recipe is very reminiscent of recipes I grew up eating. It reminds me of home, so it's a little bit special to me. And it's really simple to make, just like all the other recipes in this video, so let's get into it.
We're gonna start by making an Italian dressing by mixing some olive oil and some red wine vinegar, along with some Dijon mustard, some Italian seasoning, dairy-free parm, agave, red pepper flakes, and some salt. We'll just give that a quick mix through. Next, we're gonna cook our pasta. I'm using farfalle pasta, but feel free to use whatever pasta you like. Transfer that to a bowl and then add in your veggies along with some dairy-free mozzarella and meatless pepperoni. We're also gonna add in some black olives, some herbs, the dressing we made earlier, and we're just gonna give that a quick mix through. And then we're just gonna grate over a little bit of dairy-free parm. This is optional, but definitely recommended. Just continue to mix that through and we're ready to enjoy.
Both of these pasta salad creations are actually Mr. Christopher's right here, so thank you, Christopher.
Christopher, you did such a good job. I'm so proud of you, sweetheart.
This is a very Julie recipe.
Very
if
Julie.
If we were home right now in the summer with his parents, I feel like Julie would bring this out to us.
My mom makes something very similar, or she used to, with tortellini.
Oh, I have had that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Really good. This is actually spicier than the first pasta salad.
Spicy.
A little bit of red pepper flake in there.
Oh. I was like, I'm not getting that yet. Hopefully I don't. But the Italian dressing that Chris used in here, you can just use that on salads too. You can put it on sandwiches. There's so many different things you can do with it. It's really great, obviously, for this pasta salad. And I love that all of these recipes are so easy to whip together, and they keep great in the fridge. They actually taste better as they sit.
Yeah, I agree. At least a day old is definitely the way to enjoy these.
We use just regular Miyoko's mozzarella, but if you can get your hands on the smoked one, I think that would like really elevate this recipe.
You can also use
feta.
Videa blocks. No, I wouldn't use feta in this.
Really? I think it'd be good.
I mean, you could. Feta's more like Greek.
I don't know, but it'd still be good in this recipe.
I'm fed up with your... Just kidding, I love you.
So we hope you enjoyed our summer salads recipe video. Let us know which one of these you want to try first in the comments down below.
You have to try all of them. If you don't, then why did you waste so much in this video?
No, even if you're not, thank you for watching this video.
We appreciate you being here. We post videos every single week, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Comment down below, say hey, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us out here.
And make sure you check out our blog. We have hundreds of free recipes at this point. All the recipes we post are on our blog, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.
Peace.
Bye.